Dining out as a vegan, navigating restaurants and menus. Eating out can be a challenge for vegans, as many restaurants primarily cater to those who consume animal products. However, with a little planning and knowledge, dining out as a vegan can still be an enjoyable and delicious experience. Navigating restaurants and menus requires some skill and awareness of ingredients, but it is certainly possible to find a variety of vegan options to satisfy your taste buds. The first step in successfully dining out as a vegan is to research and choose restaurants that offer vegan-friendly options. Many establishments now understand the growing demand for plant-based meals and have started to incorporate vegan dishes into their menus. With a quick online search or by using smartphone apps specifically designed for vegan dining, you can easily find restaurants in your area that will cater to your dietary needs. Once you arrive at a restaurant, the next step is to carefully review the menu. You will need to look out for animal-based ingredients such as eggs, dairy, or meat. Some dishes may initially seem vegan-friendly, but often contain hidden animal products. Things like butter, cream, or cheese could sneak their way into unsuspecting dishes. Don't be afraid to ask the server or chef about the ingredients, as they should be happy to assist you in finding a suitable meal. If there are limited vegan options on the menu, consider getting creative and requesting modifications. For example, you can ask for your dish to be prepared without cheese, or substitute dairy-based sauces with plant-based alternatives. Most chefs are more than willing to accommodate dietary restrictions, but it is important to communicate your needs clearly and politely. Another strategy for dining out as a vegan is to ask for customized dishes that are not on the menu. Chefs often enjoy the challenge of creating unique dishes, and by making special requests, you might discover tasty combinations that you wouldn't have found otherwise. Be specific about your preferences and any restrictions you have to ensure that you receive a meal that meets your dietary needs and tastes great. If you find yourself in a restaurant that does not offer any vegan options or is unwilling to accommodate your needs, don't be disheartened. You can always order a few side dishes or create a simple meal by combining various appetizers. Most restaurants will have salad options, vegetable sides, or grains that can be combined to create a satisfying and filling meal. Lastly, remember that being vegan is not just about what you eat, but also about how you support sustainability and animal welfare. When dining out, choose restaurants that align with your values, such as those that source their ingredients locally or offer plant-based alternatives for environmentally harmful animal products. By consciously supporting these establishments, you are not only making ethical choices for your own well-being, but also encouraging the growth of vegan options within the food industry. In conclusion, dining out as a vegan may require a bit more effort, but with research, communication, and flexibility, you can enjoy delicious meals while still sticking to your dietary principles. By choosing vegan-friendly restaurants, carefully reviewing menus, making modifications, requesting customized dishes, or even creating your own meal from sides and appetizers, you can navigate restaurants and menus with confidence. Remember to support establishments that align with your values, and celebrate the fact that vegan dining options are on the rise. I hope this information on dining out as a vegan was helpful. If so, please hit the like button and subscribe. For more topics and tips on the vegan lifestyle, vegan recipes, vegan diets, vegan smoothies, and eating healthy as a vegan, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and let's make today the day we change our eating habits for a healthier lifestyle. And remember, you are what you eat.